Black gold 2411. 2411 BG this time of year. BG NFL. Here we go. So, Big 3, Daz at 2, Kozar 2, Big Mike 2, Daz at 10, 15, Candy 1, Surge 2. Excuse me. Oh, the Cardinals coach. That'll be interesting, man. He's high on his quarterback. He's a DR. Kenson 4, Colby 1, 5 times Ram.org. And we'll paste and column B next to 32 NFL teams. Once, twice. Like, if I just saw that guy on the streets, man, I honestly think, like, Kyle Murray looks like he has DS. Like, no offense to him or anybody else, but he honestly does. 5. Kozar, Kenson. All right. You got fired from Texas Tech? Yo, what's up, Jeff? Back from vacation. How was it? Big Dolphins, Giants, Chargers. Big Mike, Colts, Steelers. Colby, they hired him because they knew they were going to get the first pick. Colby, Niners. Daz, Ravens, Bills, Panthers, Bears, Bengals, Cowboys, Broncos. Got your boys. Packers, Chiefs, Rams, Vikings, Patriots, Jets, Raiders, Eagles, Steelers, Seahawks, Bucks. Candy Lions. Kenson, Falcons, Texans, Titans, Redskins. Kozar, Cardinals, Saints, Surge, Browns, and the Jags. 3 baseballs, 3 helmets, 3 jerseys. Jeff, all baseball, right? Alright, man. I'll get that taken care of after this one. I'll get that set up for you. 6 left in the premium. 6 divisions left in the premium jersey. Alright, guys. Black gold. There should be some fire in here. This is the breakthrough in, man. Black gold. No. I mean, maybe it does, Chad. I don't think it does either, I'll be honest with you. You can't go 4 wide. They're a lot faster than in college. Unreal. We got a new case of value, though. New case of value, baseball. Alright, here we go. One-on-one in here. Love me some one-on-ones this time of year. Alright, that's pretty cool, man. Good for you. Snorkeling on the reef, that's relaxing for sure. Eli Manning, out of 50 piece. Here we go. Carson Wentz, jersey at 240, 249. Carson Wentz. Thought that was going to be a jersey auto. Fun fact, we pulled 3 Carson Wentz one-on-ones out of here. We specialize in some black gold. That's for sure. You know what? You missed when I'll show you. I did that. I grouped the names together on the spreadsheet so it's easier to follow. So randomized it, right? And then I edited the charts so your name all grouped together with column A with the teams. That's why the teams are out of order. They were in alphabetical order next to 32 teams, and then I grouped them all together. You know what I mean? I can't show you now, but I can show you after the break. I don't want to take the camera off the cards. I don't know if that made any sense to you, but... Alright, Jonathan Williams at a 99. Alright, Jay Williams. Jay Williams. It's just easier to follow. Instead of bouncing all over the place, all your teams are in order. Easier just to look. We'll just look at them. Blake Bortles jersey card. These are nice looking cards. $1.99. Yep. Yeah, you got the Cowboys. You got the Cowboys, the Bills, the Panthers, the Bears, the Broncos, the Packers, the Chiefs, Rams, Vikings, Patriots, Jets, Raiders, Eagles. So I think you got every one of these cards besides this one. Emmitt Smith. Yeah, I run through it all at the end. No worries. You guys know what you got. Know what to expect. Bada bing, bada boom. Over the shoulder. Is that redemption? Alright, Luke Kuechly out of 1 hundo. Luke Kuechly out of 100 piece. 6 out of 100. Sterling Shepard at a 99 for the Giants. For the G-Man. Let's go into Vic. Nice, nice, nice. Next card is a Metallic Marks Paul Perkins. Paul Perkins. Like I said, guys, I have a whole nother case of black gold. Whole nother case of it. Paul Perkins. Looks like he wrote Ray Rice, doesn't it? Doesn't that look like Ray Rice? Alright, Von Bell auto at a 199. Von Bell. Von Belly. And Peyton Manning for the Colts at a 225. Peyton Manning. Peyton Manning. Alright, guys. See where these are going. Saints, Giants, Jacksonville, Bills, Eagles, Colts, Carolina, Dallas, and Giants. Alright, see where these bad boys are going. Let's switch it on over. Alright, so the Giants, Bick. You got the Giants. Back. Like the Swami. Colts, Big Mike. Carolina Panthers. Dag. Dallas Cowboys. Daza. New Orleans Saints. Kozer side armor. Jacksonville Jaguars, Sergio. Surge. Buffalo Bills, Daz. And Philadelphia Eagles, nice Carson Wentz, man. Alright. There you have it. Very cool. Alright, 5 times to randomize it up. 5 times for 5 times. Okay. Call MC 5 times. Whoever's on top, free spot. Dazzy, you guaranteed a spot since you bought 10 or more in a single break. Here we go. Once, twice. 3 times. 4 times. And 5 times. And Dazzy, there you go, man. Got yourself that free spot. Bonus break 101. 241 BG NFL. That BG. STD. There it is. Value Baseball's up next, guys. Premium jersey. I got 6 divisions. Mini helmet 21. Let me know. Alright, guys. Any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know. Please subscribe down below. Never miss a live break, guys. Every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Appreciate it. Have a good one.